Well, welcome to Happy everyone. This is our spice bush in September. One way you can tell it's spice bush very easily. Grab yourself a leaf, crunch it up a bit, crunch that leaf, and you should smell a very pungent smell. And I don't smell a pungent smell. Now, let's go check out this female. How do we know this is a female spice bush? Check out them berries. So these berries are live right now. This is spice bush. Let's take a smell from this one. Crunch up the leaf real good. That's got a spice bush smell. So I don't know what's going on with this guy over here. It must have been a male. So these berries will have a single seed nested in the fruit. Really won't have any meat around the fruit, but basically one very large seed. So there's the seed. Spice bush. We definitely know this is spice bush, and a female spice bush. The berries are a giveaway right now in September. Usually a tree will have many more on them. This tree isn't looking really healthy, this spice bush. It's kind of tangled up with another plant in here, so it's a little funky location. Let's go find a better spice. So under the magnolia and the way too long crepe myrtle, I've got this wonderful female spice bush here. She's got wonderful color here. But this branch here is just absolutely loaded with berries. A great rich red color. Just berries all through here. Again, always one seed. Very rich, dark color. Different spice bush will have different levels of aroma. So let's give this guy a smell test. And I believe the younger leaves are preferred, at least for purposes of flavoring. Well, I'm going to put that as a kind of halfway aroma. So just because it's full of berries doesn't mean it's going to have a more aromatic smell to it. Just you got to smell your spice bush, I guess. You got to know it. So a couple of months ago, spice bush would have been full of these green berries here. There's a couple still left over. So that's what the green ones look like. So the whole plant would have had these green berries on it. And then maybe a couple of weeks ago, they start turning red. Right now we're September 3rd in Maryland, zone 7. And we're starting to get a deep red color. These berries will be on the plant after all the leaves fall off of the spice bush. So it'll hold on to these berries, and then they'll slowly disappear as birds eat up what's left. But it makes a very pronounced look. After all the leaves drop off, you don't have a whole bunch of color, but what really pops is all these red berries on the spice bush. This plant is just really beautiful, and what I really like about it, it's a zero maintenance plant. Absolutely no maintenance. Understory plant, likes a little bit of shade. I don't water anything in here. They just do their thing. Spice bush, September 3rd, zone 7. Happy gardening, everyone.